Okay, so what you're going to need to do, you need a wood burner for how I'm going to show you. You're going to cut a piece of 20-inch poly burlap. Now you can do this with any other mesh as well, but I figured I'd give the poly burlap some love tonight. Now I'm going to cut a long piece. I'm going to cut a piece at 20.5 inches. Okay. Now where's my ruler? 20.5. So you want to make sure you square it up really good. Okay, so I've got the seam running along the bottom. I got the edge of my mesh on the 0 there, and I'm going to cut it. I can see I have a dotted line up for the 0.5 on my mat. We're cutting that at 20.5. Okay, I'm just using my rotary cutter. All right, so here's where the wood burner comes into effect. I'm going to take my glass cutting mat. Okay, you can get this on Amazon too. It's already got all the grid and everything on it. I keep I put a white envelope under it so I can see the lines better. So you're going to take this and you're going to need some clips. So we'll get some of these, our handy dandy clips out. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to curl up. You're going to match the two corners on the sides here. Okay, so line up your edge, like you're going to fold it in half. Okay, put a clip, okay, just like that. There we go. Now we're going to run the factory edge along, so the bottom and the top factory edge match up. Okay, put another clip. And I'm going to do the same for the other side. Okay, we're going to put another clip. And then we're going to push down where it's folded in half there, so it's nice and flat. Now this works really well with poly burlap because poly burlap is quite moldable. The only thing is, please do not use poly burlap without wood burning. If you're doing a petal that you're going to see the edges, okay? So we're going to do this different Dean Michael petal. So we got our squared piece. All right, so this is my folded edge right here. This is our open end. I am just going to move my clip down a bit. Okay, now this is where your handy dandy steel ruler comes in handy. You can get these at Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm going to put the edge of this where it's folded on my 0 on my glass cutting mat. I'm going to line up the bottom so it's lined up on one of the lines there. Then I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to put it on the 10-inch. Well, just slightly before the 10-inch. Okay, we are going to wood burn this edge off. Okay, so you're going to get your wood burner. I did have the back door open and the fan on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wood burner and I'm going to go straight down right along my metal ruler. Okay, so that's actually fusing the edge together here. Okay, so that's why I do 20.5. I got that 0.5 inch to cut off the edge here. Okay, so this is now a closed edge and this is a closed edge. So now I'm going to cut this piece of mesh in half. Okay, so I'm going to cut it so we're going to have 2 petals per piece of mesh. Okay, so that's why we kind of doubled it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a longer edge. Now when you do this, always make sure you have your bottom factory edge so you turn it into a diamond, top factory edge on your left, bottom factory edge down at the bottom of your right. Cut your mesh like this every single time so all your petals are the exact same, okay? Because it does make a difference where your factory edges are. So there's your square. You're going to turn it into a diamond shape. Factory edge, top left, bottom right. I teach you guys that all the time. And this is where it comes into play and makes a difference. Now I'm going to take this straight edge, even though it's plastic. I used to have a long metal one. I don't know where it is. And I'm going to cut right across the center here and make 2 petals. Okay, so I'm just kind of going just a teeny weeny bit below the corner here and a little bit below the corner here. I'm going to take my wood burner and I'm going to follow my straight edge. And I can smell my ruler burning. All right, and then I'm just going to follow this line, and anything that didn't okay, we have 2 pieces now. And I'm going to put the factory edge. So just to stack them up, you see how nicely I have mine stacked here? They're perfect. So I stacked them in 4, so I could count how many I had. So one 20.5 inch piece makes 2 petals.